going left and right, left, right, left, right. Hello guys, my name is Lucas and welcome to a new episode of our development log. We're making a fixed 2D scroller with 3D game objects, and last time we made our character move left and right, and now we're going to add some animation to our character when it moves. So let's get started. So we want to animate this guy, right? And we have a bunch of animations that came with the Unity package. So I'm just going to find, where is he? Toon RTS demo animations, and here we have 4 animations and we're going to use those. So if you look into the Toon RTS demo, you see there is a animator. So we will create an animator for him and we will set the animations in the animator. So let's create an animator controller. I'm going to just set foodman underscore animator, and I'm just going to drop this on there. There you go. And now we're going to open this up and you see there's an entry, this is empty. So we want 2 animations, one when he stands still and the other one when he walks. So I'm going to create a new state, but first I need to find his animations. I think we can just drag the animations. So for example, we have idle, just gonna drag this here, and we have combat idle. So now if we play this, you'll see he's at least has some motion. And now we want to make a new one called sorry, let's delete this. We want to find the animation called charge. Okay, so charge is like running towards something, and we want to make a transition from each one to each other. So just right click and create transition, and we need to make a condition. Okay, I'm gonna go fast here, so if you want to learn more about this, just let me know and I will make a video about making animations. We make a condition, and the condition to go from idle to walk will be equals to 1, and from walking to standing still will be 0. And now we can try this. Condition 1 is not working. I think we have to get rid of the has exit time. Yeah, has exit time. We don't want exit time. So okay, let's try this again. Going to 1 and we start running, 0, and we're back to normal. So I want to make the transition a little bit faster here, so I'm just gonna drag this like this. Yeah, just make this little thing here, put it close together, and you'll get a faster transition, I think. So if we go to 1, yeah, he starts running faster. So now we have to set this condition through the script. So what we do, we go back to our script. First of all, we need a new variable. I'm going to call it public animator. No, just call it anim. And anim is going to, and sorry, my voice is a bit weird, but I got sick last week in my trip to China. I don't know, I stay up too late. I'm going to talk more about that in another video, but we went to a competition, a hackathon in China. So yep, if you're interested, I will talk more about that. Sorry, I got distracted. Okay, we have the animator. We want to change it whenever we move. Okay, so I'm going to here, if the velocity is equals to 0, that means we're not moving. The velocity is equals to 0. We set anim dot set integer, because our condition is an integer, and it's called condition, and we will set it to 0 because we are not moving, we're stopping. And then we will return, and return will stop this function. Okay, I don't have an if. So if velocity equals to 0, animation set integer, condition 0, return. Then else, if the if the velocity has any other value then rather than 0, we will set animation, anim dot set integer to 1. Okay, so this will make us start running. So now we can actually try this after we have dragged the corresponding animator here. So we will grab the model of our character and drag it into here, animator. So we can try this. So if we press play and now we're not moving, and then we run, and then we're running, and then we are Michael Jackson. Yeah, move forward. And so now one thing we have left is to look at the direction that we're moving, and this is quite simple. Just gonna try do it here. Okay, so here when we set the velocity, we also want to make the character look at that direction. So if the direction is negative, then transform dot look at, and the direction we want to look at is our transform dot position plus a vector 3 dot left, because if it's negative we want to look at the left. And then we can use an else if the direction is this time greater than 0. So greater than 0, we're going to do the same but looking to the right. So vector 3 dot right. Okay, so now we can actually try this. So we press right and there we go, we press left and there we go. So we're going left and right, left, right, left, right. And if we attach the main camera to the player, something very weird is going to happen. Look. Do you know what's happening? Because we're rotating our player. Look at the rotation of the player. The rotation is -90 and 90. So the camera is actually rotating with us. Look, from the scene, you can see it. The camera is on this side, and then the camera is on that side. Okay, and we don't want that. So we're going to make a script that allows the camera to be following the player without needing to be a child of the player. But for that, my friends, we need to make another video, and I will do it as soon as possible. But for now, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Remember to like this video and do all the things that YouTubers ask you to do, subscribe, share, etc. And I will see you next time. Goodbye.